Hello viewers, let's make rice wine here in Batad. On this traditional house, we're going to take some sticky rice to make rice wine. Okay, at first we take some banana leaf, serves as a wrapper, traditional wrapper, and you can put it a little bit maybe on the fire so that it will bring more aroma and it will kill some bacteria on these leaves. So this is the final product of this banana. Okay, it looks so shiny, and the sticky rice, white sticky rice, optional. You can add also black rice, sticky rice. So after roasting, you can now cook. Mix it thoroughly. Set aside. And let it cool for some few minutes, and after that you can put the yeast. You can mix the yeast before putting it on the traditional sieve. After 3 days, now you can put it on after that the jar, or you can do it directly on the jar. So so after the week, that's the final product. Then